students. When you come across with the genetics, one more important concept always making us very much interesting, that is variation. Variations tell us about differences in characteristics between two individuals. In biology, any difference between cells, individual organisms, or groups of organisms of any species caused either by genetic differences or by the effect of environmental factors on the expression of the genetic potentials. Variation may be shown in the physical appearance, metabolism, fertility, mode of reproduction, behavior, learning and mental ability, and other obvious or measurable characters. Genotypic variations are caused by differences in number of structure of chromosomes or by differences in the genes carried by the chromosomes. Eye color, body form, and disease resistance are genotypic variations. Individuals with multiple sets of chromosomes are called polyploid. Many common plants have two or more times the normal number of chromosomes, and a new species may arise by this type of variation. A variation cannot be identified as genotypic by observation of the organism. Breeding experiments must be performed under controlled environmental conditions to determine whether or not the alteration is inheritable. Environmentally caused variations may result from one factor or the combined effects of several factors such as climate, food supply, and actions of other organisms. Phenotypic variations or include stages in an organism's life cycle and seasonal variations in an individual. These variations do not involve any hereditary alteration and in general are not transmitted to future generations. Consequently, they are not significant in the process of evolution. Thank you.